Are you ready to level up your Photoshop game? Learn how to unleash your creativity and make your images pop. Photoshop Unleashed. Expand your artistic superpowers and get creative with inspiring techniques to freshen up your toolkit. Explore fresh tips, tricks, and creative techniques to spice things up. 'Cause we've got the secret sauce. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your brush, this will ignite your passion for creativity. Learn how to make your images. Another thing we can do is a little bit more, is fancier than that, is maybe just taking like odd shapes, like just selecting some odd shapes here. Maybe, of course, grabbing the faces and the people, making sure the content that you want is in those selections. Just random shapes, and I could have went the opposite way as well. And I'll take this, and I'm gonna press Command J again to jump the selected areas to their own layer. So now I have this. Ooh. What if I now added a new layer underneath, press D for default colors, and then Command D to fill with white. And now you can see exactly what those cutouts did. And now I can double click, and here I could add a drop shadow and maybe a stroke. And we made things pop.
Nice.
I could also even take this white layer and maybe reduce the opacity. Right now I have this transparency of the black and white underneath, making that pop. Or I could take this layer and come over here and add a hue saturation and colorize it and add a tint to make that pop. Right? I mean, there's so many things we can just keep doing on top of things, on top of things, on top of things, to make things pop. Obviously, it's strong. I can, lighten it down, or I could even go in here to that background and use a filter and maybe blur it, maybe like a motion blur. And if I really push it, you see, I get these directional lines that kind of can make a background with it, or just kind of, give another twist and movement and pop to the image. Hope you enjoyed this tip from headTrix Training.